Good morning, students. I hope you are fine. Today, our topic is When You Are Old, a poem, namely When You Are Old, written by W.B. Yeats, that is William Butler Yeats. William Butler Yeats, 13 June 1865, 28 January 1939, was an Anglo Irish poet and dramatist. He studied poetry in his youth and was fascinated by Irish legend and mysticism. He is famous for raising the goose. Yeats was an average student at school, but he emerged to be one of the greatest poets of English literature. Yeats was madly in love with Maud. However, he never responded to his love. We find his love in many expressions who are intensely emotional poems. Now, a brief summary of the poem. The poet has addressed this poem to his beloved Madgoon. He tells her that one day she will become old, she will lose the soft look of her eyes, her hairs will turn grey, she will feel tired at all time, she will spend most of her time by the fireplace. The poet wants that she should take up his books of poems and read it slowly. These poems will remind her of the days when she was young and beautiful. She will remember that there were many men who admired her youthful beauty, but at that time, as the time passed, she grew old, all their love disappeared. She will then realize that there was only one who loved her truly. He loved not only her youthful grace, but also the sorrows of her changing face. He loved not merely her physical beauty, but also the pilgrim soul in her. तो नज़म का जो मुख्तसर सा खलासा है, शायर ने ये नज़म अपनी महबूबा माडगून को मुखातब करते हुए लिखी है। वो उसे कहता है कि एक दिन ऐसा आएगा जब वो बूढ़ी हो जाएगी, वो अपनी आंखों की नाजुक खूबसूरती को खो बैठेगी, उसके बाल सफ़ेद पड़ जाएंगे, वो हर वक्त नींद और थकावट महसूस करेगी, अपना ज़्यादातर वक्त चूल्हे के पास बैठ कर ही गुजारेगी। शायर कहता है कि तब उसकी महबूबा शायद नज़मों वाली किताब उठाए और उसे आहिस्ता आहिस्ता पढ़े। ये नज़में उसे उस दिन का एहसास दिलाएंगी जब वो खूबसूरत और जवानी में थी, खूबसूरती और जवानी में थी, और उसे बहुत सारे नौजवान प्यार करते थे। लेकिन जब वक्त ढलता गया और वो बूढ़ी होती गई, उसका प्यार भी गायब होता गया। उसका प्यार गायब होता गया और उसकी महबूबा को सिर्फ महसूस हो गया कि सिर्फ एक ही आदमी था जो उसे सच्चा प्यार करता था। वो ना सिर्फ उसकी जवानी और खूबसूरती से प्यार करता था, बल्कि उसके ढलते हुए चेहरे और उसके दुखों से भी प्यार करता था। No way, I will start reading of the poem. When you are old and grey and full of sleep, and nodding by the fire, taking down his books, and slowly read the dreams of soft look your eyes had once, and of their shadows deep. How many loved your moments of glad grace, and loved your beauty with love. Falls are true, but no one man loved the pilgrim soul in you. तो एक्सप्लेनेशन है इसका। The poet tells her beloved that one day she will become old, her hair will turn grey, she will feel sleepy and tired at all times. She will sit by the fire and feel tired. The poet says that she should then take off his poem books. She should read those poems slowly and think deeply about them. Then they shall tell her about the poet's true love for her. The poet says that his poem shall also remind her about the days of youthful beauty. She will then dream of the soft look of her eyes, and once she will remember how deep and dark her eyes used to be. But all that will a think of the past when she grows old. Or next stanza, and loud the sorrows of your changing face, and bending down beside the glowing bars, murmur a little sadly how love fled, and paced down the mountains overhead, and hid face amid a crowd of stars. इनका explanation है, the poet tells his beloved that in her old age she will realize the true quality of her various lovers. She will realize that there had many lovers who loved her beauty and youth, but they loved her moments of gold glad grace. They loved the physical beauty. Their love of youth and beauty are true or false, but there was only one among them who loved the pilgrim soul in her. In other words, the poet loved the beauty of her spirit and not of her body. He loved not only her moments of glad grace, but also the sorrows of changing face. The poet means to say that his love for his beloved was pure and constant and constant. He loved her soul irrespective of her age and looks. Now the meaning of difficult words में grey सफ़ेद बालों वाली, full of sleep means सोने और आराम करने के बाद, nodding means ऊँगते हुए, अपने सर को मतलब नीचे हिलाते हुए, shadows deep नशेली, और इसमें है moments of glad grace means खुशी और खूबसूरती के पल, pilgrim souls हो गया जो रूह को सुकून दे, changing face means चेहरा जो उम्र के साथ बदलता रहे, changing face means जो उम्र के साथ बदलता रहे, glowing bars means चूल्हे में तपती हुई और चमकती हुई सलाहें, क्राउड ऑफ स्टार मीन्स तारों का झुंड। तो ये थी हमारी, आई होप एवरीबॉडी हैज़ गॉट इट। थैंक्स, अल्लाह हाफिज़, टेक केयर।